So, Junkyard Beamer or Roadside Chevy? In a previous video, we came across a Beamer at the junkyard and an old Chevy on the side of the road. And I asked you guys, the viewers, which one you want to see for the next channel project. Got the truck ready, got a trailer in tow. I got the sidekicks with me and we're ready to go. We're about an hour on our trip now and we just came across a supercar. Cavalier. What a rig. Fast and Furious special. We're almost there to pick up the next project vehicle. Drop a comment. What do you think we bought? So here she is, the new channel project. I don't really know much about her, other than there's a steering issue, so I guess we'll figure that out.
Go.
So I'm going to finish loading her up. See you guys later. There's a little surprise at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around to find out what it is. So we're dropping the car off here for a minute. Bow chicka wow wow. We're going out on town. Where are we going?
Starbucks.
Alright, we got some Starbucks. I don't know, it feels like I'm cheating on Tim Hortons right now, but we got a coffee and we're just up Signal Hill. So this is Signal Hill. It's in the capital city of Newfoundland, St. John's. So we made it back with the Junkyard Beamer. I'm gonna get this off the trailer, and this thing, when you start it, makes this really bad noise. I don't know what it is, so when I get it off the trailer, I'll show you guys and see what you think. So here she is, the new channel project. Now I'm just gonna start it up and let you listen. I think this thing got some real serious issues. It does not sound right. Let me just show you. Yeah, so I kind of done something. You know, project cars and project trucks, they're like beer. You can never have just one. Let's cut to the scene. Alright, the sidekicks are back. We got ice creams and we got something to go pick up. Let's go. Okay, so this one we're in luck because what we're going to pick up right now is only about 15 minutes away from our house. The other one, not so much. That one is about 3.5 hours away. So it's a bit more of an ordeal, but this one's gonna be good. Well, boys, there she is. Woohoo! What a rig. Well, boys, the wife is behind me. We're in the old 53. We're on the way home. I say I'll be waiting off when it go away. We even got a full tank of gas. Just joking. I hope that temperature hand is not working. We didn't make it very far. I'm gonna have to get a tire somewhere. Good rig. Alright, so luckily we're not that far from home. So what I'm gonna do is go get my tow dolly, we'll come back, swap the wheels around a little bit, and we'll tow her home.
Story of my life.
She's still there? I was hoping somebody was gonna take it.
Plan B.
Plan B. You know, us as people, we create our own problems. I could be home, sit on the deck, sipping a beer. But what fun is that? Oh, I just love dropping stuff down in puddles. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I don't have very much faith in this tire either. So luckily for us, there was a junk wood in the back. And if you're wondering why I didn't take a spare tire off the side of the truck, it's completely seized on there. Alright, she's on the dolly. We're going to take our time now. There's going to be a trailer coming in my future.
Oh, okay.
Well, boys, we made it home. I gotta get her off the dolly now, but I gotta tow her off because I got a flat. And all she's doing here is spinning the tires. So that's a job for tomorrow morning. This is a 53 Chevy pickup truck on an 89 Dodge Ram chassis. This thing got a 318 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Fuck. It does run and drive, but it also needs a lot of love. So like I said, this is a 53 Chevy body on an 89 Dodge Ram chassis and running gear. It has a 318 engine, a 4-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives, and I scored this thing for $2,800. You can't go wrong for $2,800. And this is my Junkyard BMW. It's a 2006 BMW 525 Xi, meaning all-wheel drive. It's actually in surprisingly good condition. It has no power steering. I don't know why. Never even looked at it yet. It's got 260,000 kilometers on it, which is a lot. But I think this is going to be a fine project as well. So like I said, this is an 06 5 Series. It's actually in surprisingly good shape, interior wise and body wise. I bought this at a local junkyard. They were asking $2,750, and I ended up scoring this for $1,855. I've got no information on this car, besides it has no power steering, but it does run and drive. I plan to take this thing from the junkyard to a daily driver. So, in a previous video, I asked you guys what you wanted to see. The Roadside Chevy or the Junkyard Beamer. And honestly, the comments were pretty 50-50. A lot of you guys wanted the Beamer, and a lot of you guys wanted to see that Chevy. Luckily for you, I wanted two of them. So please like and please subscribe. There's a lot of good content coming your way.